Well, moving on then, we have a few subscribers asking about Computer Task Group. Do you have any thoughts on that?
In general, I'm quite bullish on Computer Task Group. I started getting bullish probably a year ago now, and I tried to convey that in the January 2021 issue of Contra the Heard for subscribers. My kind of enthusiasm or current enthusiasm for the company really started when Philip MacKellar took over as CEO, and this was in mid-2019, and he really started to shift the company in a more positive direction. And what I mean by that is Computer Task Group has two lines of business. It has IT staffing and IT solutions. IT staffing is a lower margin business, and it's generally speaking been where they get the majority of their revenue. And Philip has recognized this, and he is now focusing the company almost primarily or exclusively on the IT solutions business, and it's starting to pay off. So that's what makes me fairly bullish about the name, and I like what he's doing, and hopefully he does a really good job. There have been a kind of rotating door of CEOs since the founder died in, I think it was 2011 or 12. So there's a lot of work that can be done, and I think Philip's the person to do it. And the other things I like about the company are the valuations. Despite Philip's efforts so far, they're still low. The balance sheet is debt-free, and I could see it being acquired at some point. It looks like a good tuck-in acquisition for somebody, or if a private equity firm wants to take a run at it, they can take it over, I think, quite easily.
Interesting. Okay. And have there been any attempts to acquire it?
Yes, there have. There have been two attempts that have happened in the recent past. So both by a company named Assurance Global Services, and both attempts were unsolicited. So Computer Task Group's board wasn't on side with either one, but the proposals happened in 2019 at $6, and then right before the pandemic hit, Assurance Global Services made another unsolicited run at the company at $7. So yes, there have been two attempts to take the company private by the same firm in recent history.
Interesting. Okay. And we have another subscriber wondering what your thoughts are on their latest earnings.
I think the latest earnings reflect the job that Philip's been doing. The revenues were down slightly. As you know, 2020 was rough for a lot of companies, so they had a hit there. But he increased earnings per share from 29 cents to 53 cents, which is a massive increase. He had similar success increasing cash flow from operations, and then free cash flow increased from 6 to 28 million or thereabouts. And that, to me, speaks to his efforts and his focus on the IT solution side of the company and really driving the high margin end of their business.